In my first payout, I made little over $7,700 with the Funded Trader program on 17th of August. Then in my second payout on 13th of September, I made over $4,950. And in my third payout, which I requested on 13th of October, I made over $14,000. Now it's been around 27 days since I have requested my last payout, and I am now eligible to request another withdrawal as I have made over $22,879. And this time my profit share is gonna be 90% because I have got a scaled in from the Funded Trader program. They have put another $100,000 into my funded account. I previously had $400,000 with them. Now I have $500,000 with them, and my profit share is now 90%. So I will be getting $20,590 this time as I have made over $22,870. So welcome back to the Falcon Trader YouTube channel, where I share different strategies on how you can become a profitable funded trader. I give you completely free mentorship access if you sign up with my recommended broker, deposit $300 into your own account and place a trade with 2 standard lot for few minutes using the link that I have added in the description. Or the other way to get free mentorship access is by taking at least $100,000 challenge account with my recommended pro firm, and then I give you completely free access to my mentorship program and to my private traders community, where I share every single trade that I take on my funded account with all the members of the community. Now, as you can see that in my last withdrawal, I made over $17,523 and I got 80% profit share. They paid me the 80% of the amount that I made on 17th of October, and I started trading again on 19th of October. And since 19th of October, it's been around 20 days and I have made literally over $22,879. And now I'm gonna make a withdrawal request for the $22,879 that I have made. And today is 10th of November when I'm going to make a withdrawal request. Now this time I will be getting paid 90% of the profit share, and that will be over $20,591. So if we click on a request withdrawal button right here, you can see it is asking me that how much money I want to make a withdrawal. Now I am gonna type this exact amount, 22,879.28, and it is now saying please select your payment method. So we're gonna select deal from here, and I'm gonna type my email address, which is falcontrader007@gmail.com, and we're gonna click on generate passcode, and we have entered the passcode that I just received from the Funded Trader program. Now the moment I will click on the submit button, the payout request will be submitted, and I will be then contacted with an email that I will be getting paid 90% of the amount that I have made in the past 20 days on my funded account that I have with the Funded Trader program. Now let's click on the submit request button, and we can have an idea that it has been submitted by just looking at the request button, because now it is unavailable. So that means that my request to get a payout of $20,590 has been submitted to the Funded Trader program. And we can see from here as well, your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. The payout specialist will send a payout confirmation to your email. Once the withdrawal request has been received, you must reply to the payout confirmation email to receive your payout. Please allow 3 business days to receive your payout. The weekends and holidays are not business days. Business days include Monday to Friday, USA Eastern Standard Time. Please take note that your payout will be processed and sent by the close of the day according to the Eastern Standard Time on your scheduled payout date. And I submitted the request on 10th of November, and this is the amount that I will be getting paid in my deal account, $20,591. Now you might be thinking that how I am able to make profits consistently every single time on my funded account. Let me tell you that I have been doing this since 2019. I first got my funded account back in 2019 with FTMO, and I have been funded with different pro firms since 2019. After starting Forex trading in 2017, it took me around 2 years to become a profitable trader. The journey was not easy. I did not become successful overnight, because that never happens to anyone. It takes some time, it takes effort, dedication, and perseverance to become a successful trader. And you can literally do that without spending any money on courses, without buying any mentorship program. You can get free access either by signing up with my recommended broker, depositing $300 into your own account, placing a trade with 2 standard lot. Or the other way is that you can simply just take a $100,000 challenge account with my recommended pro firms from the link in description, and I will provide you free access not only to the mentorship course that I have on the Falcon falcontrader.com website, but also you will be given free access to my Discord community where I do my analysis. I share all the trades that I take on my funded account and where I do weekly market analysis as well. Now you have to keep in mind that it's gonna take time, it's gonna take some effort to become a profitable trader. But if you can put enough time, enough effort, then I can guarantee that you will be able to make a lot more money than you can ever imagine by just taking these opportunities with the pro firms that we have right now. You can simply pass the evaluation if you know how to trade, if you know when to enter, if you know when not to enter, if you know the importance of risk management, and if you know how to control your emotions in trading. You can easily pass the evaluation, become a profitable funded trader, and can make a lot of money on your funded account. I have made literally over $56,000 in last 4 months with the funded trader program, and I want to help you guys to become a successful funded trader. So make sure if you guys have any question, you can ask me either by directly sending an email to info@thefalcontrader.com, or you can ask me in the comment section. I will make sure to reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was motivational enough for you. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace out.